Hey, good morning. What's going on, everybody? This is your boy Nico, Crazy AF. Today, we're doing things different. We got a different view today. We're at the beach. I don't really get in sand. I know this is an exhaust video. I feel like every S6 I hear that has different exhaust, they all sound good for the most part. I know they got the big name brands like AWE and others, you know. I'll probably put in this video like a little picture of what I crossed out, basically what I deleted. And yeah, we could go from there. But I'll also let you guys know, for the Essex guys that know what the exhaust looks like. Music stay going on. So you got two resonators in the front, right? You got two resonators. I deleted those. Then you got like a big suitcase muffler. I kept that one. Then you got two mufflers in the back. What the hell is that? Then you got two mufflers in the back. I deleted those too. So basically it's almost straight pipe, really, but I got that big ass suitcase muffler holding things in. I'm over here at some random hotel. Everybody looking. But you know, I would look too. That car is fire. But yeah, we'll get into it and I'll show you what it sounds like if you can't hear it already. Hey, what's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. That was my exhaust video. Like, share, subscribe. Stay with me. Follow more videos.